Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn advanced adverb formation, morphological transformations from adjectives. This is a comprehensive grammatical guide to understand how adjectives are transformed into adverbs. Rule 1. Primary suffix addition, ly. The first and most common rule is adding ly directly to the base adjective form. Here, the base word remains unchanged. Examples: soft, softly; real, really; kind, kindly; quick, quickly. So, in this rule, we simply attach ly to the adjective. Rule 2. Spelling change, yi before ly. Now let us understand the second rule. When adjectives end with a consonant plus y, the letter y changes into I before adding ly. Examples: happy, happily; angry, angrily; easy, easily. But there is an exception. If the letter before y is a vowel, then no change occurs. Examples: coy, coyly; grey, greyly. So remember, consonant plus y change y to I. Vowel plus y no change. Rule 3. Spelling change, ike, ikely. Adjectives ending in ike usually form adverbs by adding ly. Examples: basic, basically; classic, classically; dramatic, dramatically. This is not just adding ly. It creates an intermediary l form before adding ly. Rule 4. Other suffixal variations, word, wise. Now let us look at specialized suffixes used to create adverbs of direction or relation. Suffix word. Examples: forward, backward, onward. Suffix wise. Examples: likewise, clockwise, edgewise. These suffixes help express direction, manner, or relation. Key exceptions and unchangeable words. Some words have special or exceptional adverb forms. Examples: true, truly. Here, the letter e is removed. Soul, solely. Here, only one l is used. Whole, wholly. Again, the letter e is removed. Some adjectives do not have standard ly forms. Examples include hostile, juvenile, fertile. In such cases, circumlocutions are used, such as in a hostile manner, innocently, guiltily. Irregular forms and unchangeable adjectives, adverbs. Now let us study irregular forms. Good, well. This is the most common irregular form. Example: a good player; he plays well. Fast, fast. No form change occurs. Example: a fast runner; he runs fast. Late, late. Again, no form change occurs. Example: the late shift; the train arrived late. Remember, lately has a different meaning. Hard, hard. No change occurs. Example: a hard worker; he works hard. Straight, straight. No form change occurs. Example: a straight line; go straight ahead. Near, near. Again, no change occurs. Example: a near miss; the store is near. Usage notes on irregular forms. Observe these sentence transformations carefully. He is a good driver. He drives well. He is a good writer. He writes well. He is a good singer. He sings well. He is a good teacher. He teaches well. So, the adjective good changes into the adverb well when describing actions. Thank you for watching this lesson on advanced adverb formation.